This was Papa Bot. All this process I'll be using AI. Hello, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can customize any bot to your name. If I run it, you will see that it displays the name that I want. If I'm willing to sell them, I can just proceed to sell them. And I have a lot of bots here. You can download them. I'll leave the link in the description and you can customize the name one you want. So make sure you subscribe and like this video for more videos like this. So to download any bot here, you just come to three dots and then tap on them and you'll have a download option here and you'll have that bot on your storage. So just proceed to your storage to downloads and then you will see where you have your bot. So this is an example of the bot that I have just displayed and then you saw it displayed this name. I'll be changing the name and here on the journal you can see that it is also displaying the name. All this process I'll be using AI. I will not be doing it manually. So you do not need to know how to code to do this. So the first thing you need to do, you need to download the bot, or if you have that bot, just proceed to this next step. So if you have the bot, let's say this is your bot, just click on it on your mouse and then right click so that you have an option to open with. So here you need to open using Word. Just open using that Word and then copy all this. Just Control all, or you can just use the cursor to copy everything here. Just copy everything and then copy. After copying, proceed to your browser and then go to search Google Docs. You can search Google Docs and then there open a new document. Here we want to create a PDF of this with the text. We will be doing this so that our AI will be able to read the code and then create us a new code. So here I just paste the code. Then after pasting the code, you can see this is the code. I just proceed to the file and then download as PDF. Just proceed to download it as PDF and you can see this is the document. So we'll proceed to our AI. So we upload this document to this AI and tell it to change the name. So I go to change that name. So this is the document. So I'll proceed to the AI. This is the website that I will be using and I like this website because you will be getting a lot of AIs for free. So also make sure you use this website to get a lot of these AI Pro models for free. So you just come here and choose any model that you like. But for me, I'll go with the Gemini because Gemini is a little bit better than some AIs here. So I just choose this one and then I'll upload our PDF here. So proceed to upload the PDF and this was our PDF. So I upload it and then I tell the AI to edit the name. That way. So I told it to edit the name to this one and then it will display the code so that I copy and turn it into a bot that is ready to be uploaded on Deriv. So let's wait and see how it goes. So here we have two bots, but I just go with Gemini because Gemini is a little bit better and we'll be testing this bot to see how it works. So let us wait for this to finish. Then I will copy the code and I transform it into the bot. So this is the code. So to copy it, you just come here and copy the code. Also here we have the code. So you have two options. So here we have the bot that also you can copy, but I just prefer this one. So I can just say I prefer this one to get credits that I will be using for these AIs for free. So after copying that code, you just need to open your notepad. Just come here on your PC and then search notepad here if you don't see it here. So you can search notepad and open it. So here I have it. I can just paste that code here, and then after pasting that code, I need to save it. So I just come to save as a file, and then I just save as. It will just prompt me here. So here is the most important step that you need to know. You need to edit this extension to XML. So just edit it to XML. And then, so here we have a dot that you should not ignore. And then here, enter your name, the name that you like. Let's say that this was Papa Bot 1. I can just say that one, and then I can save it. So after saving that, I can just proceed to see the bot in my storage. So here we have the bot, and this is the bot that I have just saved. So I proceed to open it on Deriv. So this is the Deriv where I can upload the bot. So I just import, and then I just go to local storage, select, and then on here, it is here, I just open it, and then I proceed to open. After that, I can run and see. So you can see Papa Bot is ready. So all the best. And then I can run it and go to the journal to see what it will be writing here. If it writes, you can see this is Papa Bots. So that way I can edit the bots, and if I'm willing to sell them, I can just proceed to sell them. So most of the people you see selling bots, they actually just edit them using AIs and they sell them online. You don't need to buy them. You can edit and own a bot. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and I have a lot of free bots in the description. So check them out. Thanks for watching.